So in this section, we'll talk about the network security. And if you can see on the screen, there are three categories we do have. Firstly, we will talk about the network security fundamentals. And the second one is related to firewalls and intrusion detection system. And at the last, we'll talk about the wireless network security. So all these three are important part of the network security and especially the firewalls, IDS, IPS, these kind of things. We'll talk about all those things one by one. So firstly, let's start with the network security fundamentals. So I believe you already know about the some networking part like the switch, hub, routers, and these OSI model layer, TCP IPs. All these things I'm expecting that you already know. If you don't know, then let me know you in the comment section. I'll add those videos as well. So now there is nine elements of network security. That is the network firewall, intrusion prevention systems. Now what is IPS, what is IDS? So with these all the things we will be covering in the upcoming videos. No issues in that. So as of now, prevention in the prevention system, we generally prevent. There is a mechanism through which we actually prevent it, right? And in the IDS, that is the intrusion detection system, it is for used for the detection. That is a mechanism. There is a signature based, you can say directly, on which it detect the malicious traffic, right? Then unified threat management, advanced network threat prevention, network access control is very important. Cloud access security brokers, this is something new, right? In that because of the cloud, where nowadays companies are choosing cloud in spite of the physical infrastructure. So DDoS mitigation is another one. That's why we use, IDS for that, especially for this DDoS attack. And the network behavior anomaly detection, the detection which is not usual. There is something happening, and let's say there is um 10 traffic is going on, but usually it is happening that there is 200 traffic has been observed. So some unusual pattern, some unusual detection that comes under the category of anomaly. Now, SD-WAN security, all the wireless area network, all the you can say the wide area network, right? Whatever the things we have, all these are nine elements of network security. Let's talk about this one. So, if we talk about the network security, then okay, let me take the highlighter. Then it focuses on protecting data as it travels through the networks, right? It safeguard against unauthorized access and data breaches. This is the same. We have talked about the defense in depth, right? In the network, external network, sorry, the perimeter network and the network we have talked about, right? So where it is a very important, it plays a very important role for those layers. Key network security measures include firewall and access controls. Firewall act as digital barriers to filter incoming and outgoing traffic. So firewall is nothing but it's a way through which it actually uh, just detect the incoming traffic and also the outgoing traffic. So the incoming traffic we call inbound traffic and the outbound is called the outgoing traffic, right? The access control restricts who can access a specific part of the network. For example, this the access of the firewall, let's say, right? So it should be to the network team and to the cyber security team, right? These two team only should have access, right? Network security aims to prevent data interception, that is the MITM, man in the middle attack, and unauthorized access. Security protocols like VPNs. So if we talk about the VPNs, VPN can be configured with firewall. All these things you will get to know in the advanced lectures. But as of now, you should know that yeah, VPN can be configured with the firewalls. How we configured, what are the rules, what are the other things, all those are in the will be coming in the advanced one. So ensure secure data transmission over networks, right? Regular updates, patch management, and crucial for network security. Let's suppose if you are using the Palo Alto, make sure that it is has been upgraded. Well, Palo Alto research team is very fast and they always take care of about these things. but you have to also take care about those things. A strong network security helps safeguard sensitive information during transmission. It's fundamental aspect of overall cybersecurity for organization, right? So what we learn in this, that the firewall is very important. Firewall is very important for the organization for the incoming and outgoing traffic.